Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Santander Bank app if it's not working in 2025. Step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak signal is one of the most common reasons the app fails to load. Step 2. Restart the app. Close it completely, then reopen it. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Step 3. Update the Santander app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Santander, and hit Update if available. Older versions can crash or stop working. Step 4. Restart your phone. A quick reboot can solve minor glitches and refresh your app performance. Step 5. Clear the app cache on Go to Settings, Apps, Santander, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iOS, try deleting and reinstalling the app. Step 6. Check if Santander server is out. Official Twitter for server update. Step 7. If all else fails, contact Santander customer service through their official website or by phone. You may also try using the web version of online banking temporarily. Tip: avoid using the app on rooted or jailbroken devices. Santander may block access for security reasons. And that's it. You should now be able to get your Santander app working again in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Ready for the next one?